Kinilala ng mga Pilipino sa Amerika ang paglago ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas at pagsisikap ng Administrasyong Aquino sa pagpapalakas ng edukasyon sa bansa. Kaugnay nito ang nagpahayag ng kahandaan ng mga Pilipino doon na matulungan ang Filipino professionals doon. Nababalik si Rocky Ignacio.
Pinapurihan ng mga Pilipino sa Amerika ang makatotohanang paglago ng ekonomiya ng Pilipinas. Sinabi ito ni Attorney Aurora Abella Austriaco kaugnay ng working visit ni Pangulo Aquino sa Chicago, Illinois. Partikular na tinukoy nito ang pagtamo ng Pilipinas sa dating mailap na investment grade status mula sa international credit rating agencies.
President Aquino has done personally, I think he's done a really great job in terms of raising the visibility of, the Philippines in the world. To the fact that the Philippines is an investment grade, he was able to really raise the credit rating and the investment standards for the Philippines so that foreign investors can actually feel comfortable investing in the Philippines. We need that in our economy and in the Philippines economy.
Si Austriaco ay may mahigit 20 taon na nagtatrabaho sa Amerika at dahil sa tiwala sa liderato ni Pangulo Aquino, handaan niya sila makipagtulungan kung paano makatutulong pa ang mga Filipino professionals sa pamahalaan.
It would be great if maybe the President can also address how he can utilize Filipinos who are abroad, who are actually here, who would like to be able to help with regards to the economic development of the Philippines, or in one way, shape, or form, whatever little thing we can do to help out here. I mean, it would be great, for the President to let us know how we can do that, because there's a lot of professionals in the U.S. who would like to maybe invest in the Philippines, but it may not have $1 million to invest, but smaller amounts that they can invest.
Bukod sa paglago ng ekonomiya, kinilala rin Association of Chicago ang commitment ng Aquino administration sa pagpapalakas ng edukasyon. Ito anyang titiyak sa matibay na kakayahan ng susunod na henerasyon ng bansa.
What has most impressed me about President Aquino is his commitment to the education and to the development of the next generation of Filipinos. There's so much that the next generation can contribute, that wants to contribute, given the opportunity. And so through programs that he's developed under his term, such as the Job Start program, he's making it possible to take the changes and improvements that he's currently developed and working on.
Pero katulad pa rin ng maraming Pilipino abroad na isilang marinig ang hakbang ng Pangulo, natitiyak na hindi mababaliwala ang resulta ng pagbabago sa Pilipinas. Para sa Telebisyon ng Bayan, Rocky Ignacio, Chicago.